and welcome to the CONS3RT Help channel. Today, we'll be covering how to generate API tokens within CONS3RT. Doing so will allow you to use CONS3RT without going through the user interface. To generate an API token, head on over to Profile and Account in the upper right-hand corner. Then find Security next to the little lock. Here you will find an option for CONS3RT users to change their password. And below that, you will find a corresponding Generate API token to each of the projects you are currently a member of. Once you generate your API token, you will have the option to reissue or to revoke said credential. Now, to ensure that you actually have your credential, head on over to your email account, where you will find an email from CONS3RT with your API token. If you would like to learn more, feel free to check out the other video tutorials on this channel. Alternatively, you can visit the CONS3RT Help site, which features articles which cover these topics in greater depth. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using CONS3RT.